Here at Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about our stunning Hampton Herringbone engineered wood range. The range consists of 4 exquisite decors ranging from the bright and welcoming oak cream to the dark and vibrant cognac oak. Due to the natural wood top layer, the range possesses beautiful natural knots and grains enhanced by the various finishes to the wood. The range is compatible with underfloor heating systems and comes with a staggering 25-year residential warranty for added peace of mind. The OptiLock fitting system also makes fitting nice and simple. Engage the long joint at an angle, bringing the short joint as close to the joining board as possible. Lower and press down until you hear a click. If needed, use a tapping block to tap up the long joint and down on the short joint. With a beautiful natural top layer, 4 stunning decors to choose from, and a fitting system that takes the hassle out of laying, the Hampton Herringbone range really has something to offer any home. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.